I'm Terry from All About Imports, and here's your Tuesday tech tip. I know a lot of you like to change your winter tires and summer tires over. Here's a little tip that you should pay attention to before you install them. When you go to install your wheels, you should also check the mating surface of the rim and also of the rotor itself too. Especially on aluminum rims, you will find that they corrode quite heavily because of the aluminum and the steel combination. Here you can see all of the corrosion and the grime from the road that accumulates on the rim. Best is to get a wire wheel and to try to remove as much of the corrosion as possible without damaging the reel itself. Now the reason you do this is so that you do not develop a vibration as you drive along. It may not be a very bad vibration, it may be just a small little vibration that you didn't have before. On a very small occasions, you may find that the wheel will not bolt properly because of the rust not allowing the rim to seat properly to the rotor. First we use this small one, which allows us to remove all of the rust around the surface here. And then when we have to do the rim, we have a larger tool, which is this one, which attaches to a drill. But you can also use a wire wheel to do the same thing too. This has been your Tuesday Tech Tip. Catch you next week.